My name is Traci Samczyk, and I had a total hip replacement at Keck Medicine in December of 2023. I love the outdoors, and I love to hike and bike. I'm curious about new places, and I've been very fortunate to have traveled to 88 countries so far. About 2021, I had a fall, and after I got up, I realized I had a really sharp pain in my left hip, and it didn't get better. And gradually, it kept causing more and more pain, not only in the hip area, but it extended down my leg and also into my back area. I had quite severe osteoarthritis in my hip joint and quite significant hip dysplasia, which pivoted the way my hips were, and part of the bone on the back of my hip was not formed. So the time came where I needed a total hip replacement, and I decided to go with Dr. Lieberman at Keck Medicine of USC. One of the things when it came time for surgery was checking in at the hospital. And what really put me at ease was how every person that I encountered, from checking in to Dr. Lieberman walking in the office, knew exactly what the plan was. They followed the protocol to a T, and that really, really put me at ease through the whole process. My recovery after surgery really started right after the surgery. And that's when at 9:30 in the evening, Dr. Lieberman walked in my hospital room. And I was blown away that the surgeon came to check on me and have me do my very first steps. After that, I was just over in the hospital overnight, and immediately within a few days started physical therapy that came to my house. Again, what I appreciated is the team, the orthopedic team, called and checked on me. Am I doing my physical therapy? How is the incision looking? And checking on my pain as well. One of the great things about surgery, and everybody thinks that hip replacement is such a radical surgery, and it is, but what is great is you can resume every bit of your life that you had before. There is no hip problems. There's no pain, and I really don't feel like I have any limitations to my physical ability as compared to before the surgery. When I look back at the care at Keck Medicine of USC, I have no doubts. They are my medical center from here on out.